Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best magnet numbers is probably one of the most versatile and engaging educational tools you can introduce to your child's learning journey, offering a tactile and fun way to explore early math concepts right on your refrigerator or any magnetic surface. Number 5. Magnetic Tiles Toddler Toys. Discover a world of learning with these magnetic tiles. They help toddlers recognize colors, numbers, and shapes, fostering early STEM skills. This 32-piece kit is ideal for young builders. The easy-to-handle pieces are safe and compatible with other major brands, making it a great first set. Inspire hours of imaginative play with these versatile blocks. They encourage open-ended creativity and help develop crucial math, science, and spatial skills. Enjoy screen-free fun that enhances development through STEM learning. It's a wonderful way to create lasting family memories together. Looking for the perfect gift? These magnetic blocks are suitable for any occasion and make a fantastic sensory toy for children, including those with autism. These building blocks are more than just toys, they are educational tools. They introduce fundamental concepts in science and math through engaging, hands-on play. What we like? This set is fantastic for toddlers just starting to explore shapes and colors. If you are looking for a toy that grows with your child and encourages open-ended play, this is a great choice. It's perfect for home entertainment and family bonding. What people say. The magnets are strong enough to hold structures together without constant collapsing, but not so strong that small hands struggle to separate them. The tiles feel sturdy and smooth, with no sharp edges. They've survived drops, stepping incidents, and enthusiastic, construction site moments. The open-ended design is the biggest win. There are no strict instructions required. Kids can build whatever their imagination allows: castles, rockets, questionable abstract art. Number 4. Gamenote Classroom Magnetic Alphabet Letters Kit. Introducing a vibrant and engaging way for your little ones to learn the alphabet. This kit is designed with young minds in mind, making learning feel like play. With 234 colorful letters, including both uppercase and lowercase, plus a double-sided magnetic board, pens, and an eraser, this set has everything needed for endless spelling and learning adventures. The included magnetic board is perfect for practicing letters and words. It's easy to write on and even easier to erase, allowing for continuous learning and creativity. Crafted from soft-touch EVA foam, each letter is safe and durable. The full-cover magnets ensure they stay put, and their size is perfect for little hands to grip and manipulate. Ideal for home, school, or on the go, this kit makes learning accessible. It's a fantastic tool for parents and teachers to guide children aged 3 and up in their educational journey. Developed with input from educators and parents, every aspect of this learning tool is optimized for preschool and early elementary children. It supports phonics and word building effectively. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive set of letters and a versatile writing board. If you need a tool for teaching phonics and spelling common words, this is ideal. It's designed with early childhood experts in mind, making it perfect for parents and teachers. What people say. The vibrant colors and sturdy design of the magnetic letters immediately caught his attention. He loves that the set comes with both upper and lower case letters, which has been fantastic for our phonics activities. The magnetic feature is also a big win. The letters stick well to the board, which makes it easy for him to rearrange them without any frustration. The size was just right and the colors really popped. My daughter loved how it looked and it really drew her attention. It is easy to use and really brought so much fun to her learning experience. The board wasn't too thick and fit nicely on her lap, and the magnetic strength was good. Number 3. Gamenote Magnetic Number Tracing Board. Introducing a fun and interactive way for your child to learn numbers from 1 to 20. This double-sided board makes learning engaging and effective. Each number is clearly marked with stroke order and direction. This helps children learn to write numbers correctly, building essential fine motor skills and number recognition. Watch as the magnetic beads pop up with a satisfying sound when traced. This provides instant visual and auditory feedback, making practice exciting and memorable. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic with smooth edges, this board is built for safety. The design ensures beads stay securely inside for worry-free play. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for travel. Your child can take this learning tool anywhere, at home, in the car, or outdoors. This tracing board is more than just a number tool. It's perfect for homework, kindergarten practice, and various preschool activities, offering a blend of education and entertainment. What we like. This tracing board provides a fun, multisensory way to learn numbers. If your child needs practice with number recognition and fine motor skills, this is an excellent option. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel and on-the-go learning. What people say. One side is a classic magnetic letter board, perfect for practicing spelling, writing messages, or just having fun creating words. The other side is a blank whiteboard, ideal for drawing, doodling, or solving math problems. It's like having two boards in one. The magnetic pen pulls up the silver balls as they trace the numbers or letters. It is so tactile and fun. They can feel the number or letter as they write it with directions as to the correct way to write. Then they can retrace the number or letter with their finger to press the magnetic balls back down and it's ready to reuse. What really stands out to me are the arrows and numbers on each letter showing which lines to draw first. That has helped my daughter understand proper letter formation so much better than just guessing where to start. It makes it feel more like a guided activity instead of frustration. Number 2. Gamenote double-sided magnetic letter board. Introducing a fun and educational toy designed for little learners. This board offers two sides for practicing letters, making learning engaging. One side focuses on uppercase letters, while the other helps master lowercase. Vowels are highlighted in red and consonants in blue, aiding pronunciation and grammar skills. Children can use the included stylus to trace letters, feeling the satisfying pop of the beads. They can easily erase and practice again, following stroke guides for each character. Designed with safety in mind, all beads are enclosed in a solid plastic board with no small parts. The stylus is attached, and its travel-friendly size makes it perfect for on-the-go learning. This board combines learning and entertainment, making it an ideal gift for holidays, birthdays, or Christmas. It's suitable for children aged 3 and up. What we like. This board offers a unique approach to learning letters with its dual-sided design and tactile feedback. If you want to help your child master uppercase and lowercase letters with engaging practice, this is a great pick. It's also wonderfully portable for learning anywhere. What people say. The other side is a blank whiteboard, ideal for drawing, doodling, or solving math problems. It's like having two boards in one. The magnetic letters are well made and sturdy. They stick firmly to the board, and the vibrant colors are engaging for kids. The magnetic pen pulls up the silver balls as they trace the numbers or letters. It is so tactile and fun. They can feel the number or letter as they write it with directions as to the correct way to write. Number 1. RAEQKS Magnetic Letters Numbers ABC 123. Introducing a vibrant set of magnetic letters and numbers designed to make learning exciting for young minds. This collection includes uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and math symbols in a variety of engaging colors. With 78 pieces, there are plenty of letters and numbers to spell out multiple words and practice counting. Everything is conveniently stored in a portable plastic bottle for easy cleanup and travel. This toy is a fantastic tool for developing imagination, coordination, and early literacy and numeracy skills. It helps enhance focus, hand-eye coordination, and recognition of colors and shapes. Crafted from non-toxic, environmentally friendly plastic, these magnets are safe for children. They are lightweight, perfectly sized for little hands, and feature smooth edges for worry-free play. Easily stick them to any magnetic surface for interactive learning. They are ideal for teaching letter and number recognition, word building, phonics, and basic math concepts. This set is a wonderful resource for parents and teachers, whether at home or in a classroom setting. The included storage bucket makes organization a breeze, and they are washable for easy maintenance. Looking for a great gift? This magnetic set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, offering hours of fun and educational play for children aged 3 and up. What we like. This set provides a generous quantity of letters and numbers in vibrant colors. If you're looking for a versatile tool for teaching spelling, counting, and vocabulary, this is a solid choice. It's easy to store and carry, making it ideal for group learning. What people say. Durability, magnet strength, love the colors, fun to play with. Quality is good, easy to use especially for little fingers, no scratches, they stick to the fridge. Our toddler is on the spectrum and he is really into letters and numbers. We have a large whiteboard hanging on the wall at home with large magnetic letters and numbers, but we wanted something similar yet smaller for traveling. We got a 9x12 whiteboard and these magnetic letters and numbers, and it is perfect for traveling. Both the whiteboard and the bucket of letters numbers fit perfectly in a backpack, diaper bag, or suitcase, and the size of the letters and numbers is ideal for the size of the whiteboard. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.